Hello, welcome to Tina Talk Show. It's me, your host, Adamwachuku. Today, I have a special guest with you. As always, an amazing story. Now, but before anything, I want you to know that this platform, Tina Talks, is designed for you. I want you to also understand that you may even think that you don't have story to share. This platform is designed for you to come and share those amazing stories. Okay. And because I personally do believe that the beauty of what we do today, of who we are, is the story behind it. Sometimes we may think that we don't have story to share, but let me tell you what it is. The story to share is that experience, that knowledge, that wisdom that you have gathered over the years through the process of time. When you share this, I personally do believe that that is the greatest legacy that you can pass on to anybody, the society, your friends, your family, even your children. You may think they're passing on properties, money, cars are the best thing to pass on, but I tell you, those experiences are the best legacy that you can pass on to anybody. Now, this is exactly what my next guest will be doing. They will be sharing their journey with us, their story, how they become two tigers, how they come to that place where they are able to say, this is my purpose. This is what I have come here to do, to inspire, to motivate people through my music. But before that, I'd like you guys to let us take a break first, okay?
Okay.
Yes, audience, welcome. Thank you so much for coming back. Yes, without wasting much of our time, I'm going to be introducing my guest all the way from Italy. They are international artists by the name Two Tigers. Now I'm not gonna take much of your time again. I'm gonna bring them up all the way from Italy. Okay, so you know who I'm talking about. Yes, here we are. Hello, Two Tigers. Thank you so much for coming to Tina Talk Show. It's a pleasure to have you. I know that you guys, you're very busy out there, but you made out the time to come to share your amazing story, journey of music with us. It's a pleasure having you. Thank you for coming. Thank you
very much. Thank you so much.
Yes, and by the way, for the record, you guys look amazing. You really are in the path.
Thanks.
Especially you on red. I like your hair.
Thank you so much.
And you with is it gray? Is it gray? What color is your hair? I'm gonna find out you guys' name. I'm still mixing it up. I need to know from Two Tigers what and what, because Two Tigers. Who is the one tiger and who is the second tiger? So we're going to find that out today. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Now, what we're going to do, okay, before the Two Tigers, before Two Tiger, is it Two Tiger? Two Tigers? Two Tiger?
Yes.
Now, Two Tiger. Before Two Tiger, can you tell the audience, introduce yourself individually, if you introduce yourselves, and so that we can know your names and all that. So we're going to look at, before the two of you come together as one, as a team, who were you guys? Like, where have you been? What is your life like? That is what we want to find out today. But before that, I would like you to introduce yourself individually so that the audience can understand who you guys are. Okay, so who wants to go first?
Okay, my name is Zilly Tiger. I'm an
Zilly.
singer. Yeah, Zilly.
Okay.
My name is Zilly Tiger. I'm an Afrobeat artist. I'm based here in Italy. I'm originally from Edo State, Issa. My real name is Ebo Setali. Why my friends call me Tigers. My name is Zili Tiger, my musical name. So
Okay.
that's it.
Thank you for that. Thank you for that so far. Thank you for introducing us. Yes.
Okay. My musical name is Zil Tiger. I'm an Afrobeat singer as well, songwriter, do rap song as well. From Nigeria, those states, but I probably from Jebu Ode. My dad's from Jebu Ode, that's Ogun State. Then my mom's from Benin, so I grew all my life in Benin. And my real name is Abiodun Prince. So, but they call us two Tigers because of our music stuff.
Exactly.
Amazing. Amazing. So it's like two brothers from different mothers, basically.
Yes,
Exactly.
yes, exactly.
Yeah. It's a pleasure so far. Now, what I know that the audience want to know, the audience, your fans, they want to know, like individually, okay? How was your life before you guys come to meet and everything? Like, how was life for you?
To me,
I think I'm gonna have trouble differentiating you guys' name.
Zizili.
Zizili. Yeah, you Zizili. Tell me about your growing up. Like, do you have siblings? Do you have like brothers, sisters?
A lot. I have a lot of siblings. I have a lot of brothers.
Okay.
Because my mom gave birth to 10 children.
Are you serious? My thumbs up for her.
I'm the sixth born of my mother. My mom gave birth to 6 boys and 4 girls.
Wow.
So I have to be. I think I'm number 6 out of 10.
Wow.
Yeah,
that is a full house. So how was it like growing up with six boys and
It was so amazing. It was so amazing.
Tell us a little bit about it.
Yeah, growing up because I grew up with my mom and my dad. They were together with a full house. My sisters, my brothers, all of us we were together. Yeah. So we go to school, we come back. Sometimes we do go to farm to do one of 2 things so that life can be easy for us.
Did you go to farm? Did you farm?
Why not? At the time I was even having my own farming, my own land.
Seriously?
My own plot of land where I was farming on my own.
Really?
So, yeah. So before I
this is the side your fans didn't know. Now they know that
I've never said
that you love nature. You love you like to grow your own stuff. That's amazing.
Yeah, exactly. Because right from time I get to understand that no matter what, you have to fight for your own. So for that, I always stand my ground. Although my mom was operating one supermarket, I do assist her when I come back from farm. But I think earlier 2004, I have to move down to Benin because my elder brother then was in Italy here. So my elder brother built a house in Benin, and there was no one there, just the tenant. So he asked me to go there so that I can be helping him to take care of the house while I look out for the tenant and all those things. So I moved down to Benin 2004.
Wow.
So when I get to Benin, I have to start school in Benin. That was when I meet this
gentleman with the gray hair.
Yeah. So I went to, I think I started from SS1 or SS2, something like that.
What school was that? What school? What
Christ the Winner in Benin.
Christ the Winner, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we were schooling. It was all fun because then I was still very young. I was still very young. I was not really thinking that much of I want to do this, I want to do that. I just want to be happy. I want to see money to use and be happy, drive cars, this, but that kind of a big dream of going places, traveling to abroad, I wasn't having it around then. By the time comes, I said no. I think a lot of my friends, a lot of my classmates have traveled, and I'm seeing all the things online. So I have to also move an inch. So that was when I started preparing myself to travel because I was operating a bar in Benin City. I was having a bar at Aduawa, Bijo.
You've always worked hard.
Yeah, I love working hard.
Yeah,
But a lot of people don't know that. They think I just arrived today.
You know what I'm saying? So now they know. Now they know.
Now they know. They need to know.
Now they know.
They need to know because we started from scratch.
Yes.
Although we are
Now
not,
they know.
we are not to that destination yet. But I think.
But you know where you used to be.
At all. 1,000 miles away. So today we are here, and I'm very happy in the position that I operate today.
Yeah.
Still believing God that I can still press forward by special grace of God. So I'm still young. I'm in my 20s or 30s, you know. So I still have a long way to go.
Yeah, your 20s or 30s. Which one? 20s,
you know,
30s.
We must not let the cat out of the bag. You know? Yeah.
Okay, you want to keep that part for yourself. Thank you so much so far. We're going to, as we go, we're going to come back. I'm going to come back to you again. Let us give, now, like I said, I'm going to struggle with trying to figure out your names. And I'm just being honest here.
You can probably call us Black Tiger and Fair Tiger. Probably that would be a little bit easy for you.
Okay. Say it again.
Black Tiger and Fair Tiger.
Okay, fair. Oh, okay. Thank you so much for simplifying it. Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay. Now, the Fair Tiger. Oh, that's so easy. Thank you. The Fair Tiger. You did say you met Black Tiger in school.
Yeah.
So so how was that meetup? Tell us a little bit where
at the very beginning. It was all tough because I must confess, at the very beginning, I don't like him because it's very rude. It's very rude in school because it was just the day we were in class. They brought him. The principal interviewed him to us that this is our new classmate from now on. So
look at the way he's even throwing his face away.
Yeah, the guy was just
you could see that is like, oh my God.
I might never agree with him at the very beginning, but as time goes on, we started talking. But he wanted to corrupt me though. But me, I'm strong. I didn't allow him.
You didn't allow him? You blocked it?
Yes.
Okay.
You corrupt him on
this is going to be very interesting today.
Bad guy things now. So,
all right.
We hooked up. We are talking as friends. Come to my house. I do go to his house as well. Meet his mom, his family as well. From there, we
became friends.
Yeah,
amazing.
But we were just friends then, nothing like music attached, nothing like every other thing attached. Just friends.
Okay, we're going to get to that point in a minute. Black Tiger, can you tell us a little bit something about your growing up? Do you have siblings as well?
Yeah, I do have siblings. Yeah, I do. I kind of the first son of my mom. We're 5, 2 boys, 3 girls. I lost my elder sister. That was 2018.
Oh, sorry to hear that.
No, thanks. So I'm the first son of my mom, like I said before. And my growing up was a little bit easy because first son, like. My mom always take good care of me and kind of be stubborn a little bit though, but I didn't get her into trouble, and then I get myself into trouble.
I keep hearing all the I'm stubborn but cool guy. Is that the character of auntie? Okay.
Yeah, the camp type. So
oh, bro, be real, man.
So well. I probably want to say I went to the best schools in Nigeria, then in those states as well. And when I was about 19, 20, 21, I was helping my mom in the shop then. So that was when I started stealing money from her. I started stealing money from my mom. And
you start to pack money.
Exactly. So when I take the money, I normally give it to these 2 people.
Hey. Oh, I don't know if your mom is watching. Oh, come. Hey, this boy.
Confession time.
There was no contact between me and this boy.
Okay, mom is
nothing.
watching. Now
He
they
was
know where the
stealing
money
all
is
the loans.
going.
He was buying designers when we were in Nigeria. This boy want to oppress me. In Nigeria, want to oppress me.
That's
buying designers.
So before we met in school, I was actually in one school called Enya Secondary School. Then so we were having issues with our principal then. So my mom had to tell me I should leave the school. I should go start a new one. So I left. And when I got to the new school to meet my my stubborn friend, when I got there, I wasn't happy because I was seeing different faces. They were all, when you're coming from a dark place and you're going to a brighter side, to look form of shiny, too shiny to you. Like you have to cover your face from the shade and everything. So when I got to the school, I met these guys and they were all looking good. And then because my school was just the rough type,
decent time.
Like we fight a lot, play a lot. We don't school, we just fight all day and go home and tell my mom my school was nice today. You understand? So when I got there, I saw the settings was really, really different. So they said they introduced me to them. I went to the school. I was in the back seat because he was sitting at the back. So I was in the back seat. And when I met him, I was like, hey, dude, that far. He said his name is Abel. I told him my name is Prince. So from there, we became friends, but just that friend for that day. So there was one day he was coming to school. He brought a car. I don't know the car, whether it's for his father, brother, I don't know. He brought a car to school. I was like, oh, already this boy, don't say like all this kind of thing. So I was fucking angry, so I have to call my friends from my other school, like, hey, I'm gonna come to school, come beat this boy. This boy don't get hurt. Because then the school then all the girls, the good ones, like the good girls then, they were all running towards him. They were like, I want to go home with you, with your car and all this. I was like, anyway, this school, I don't see anyone. So we're just like that.
He was oppressing you, chancing you.
Man, I was fucking angry with him, and I was like, I told my friend, let's just plan a way to beat this guy and destroy his car. So next time I won't bring car to the school again. So after then, there was one day I tried, it didn't work. That was true. I tried it didn't work. So from there we became friends.
Yeah.
And after that,
amazing.
He went into music before me. He knows everything about music before me. And then he was doing music. He released the first album. That was about 2011. And then I was still just doing my normal trap song and everything. So when he wants to do a show, nobody calls me, hey guy, come join my show more. We might just put you small. And like that, I became closer to him. I want to know more about music. And after then, but he disappeared. He traveled to Europe. And there was a day he just called me, Alpha. And then I was learning my hairstylist. He called me and was like, Alpha, do me come Europe, my guy. Europe is sweet. Not me Nigeria with this. So I was like, Europe. And then I was busy. I was making hair because I'm a stylist. I was making hair in the shop. And he called me on phone. This guy talked for about an hour. I didn't end the call. I was like, Alpha, you can't go for
Hold on. Sorry, Black Tiger. Why Tiger? Why did you laugh when he said that he's a hairstylist? Why did you laugh?
He's not a hairstylist. He went to that shop to find girls. Look at my hair. This guy can't even weave my hair. You're a hairstylist. I'm still paying people here.
All right.
Make my hair.
I wanted you to explain. Black Tiger, carry on.
I didn't learn how to make dread. I only learned how to make this all back with one and all the stuff.
Seriously, is it?
Yeah.
That's a lot of money here in UK,
You see?
There's not too much. We don't have too much male hairstylists, and the ones that they have, oh my God, they are good. They pay a lot of money.
You see, if you come to UK, they probably will perform.
This guy is not professional.
Forget about that, bro.
If this guy should be in UK, trust me, it's going to damage people's face. It's gum. A lot of gums.
No.
Super. All right, Black Tiger, this is your time. All right, then we are listening.
Like then from there he called me for like an hour plus. I was like, guy, your card will finish. He said, no, you're the talk, they go, no worry. So because then I wasn't having the opportunity to talk to a friend with call like an hour apart from probably doing an article in Nigeria.
Yeah.
So I was more interested in going to that place. So I told my mom, like, Mom, I want to, because my mom tried different travels for me. We tried Japan, didn't work for me. I tried Canada, it wasn't working. Then I told her, like, hey, man, I want you to leave here. She was like, whoa, no. She didn't agree to me. Then I have to call him because my mom trusts him a lot. He likes him very well. So I called him, I told him about the stuff that, hey, my mom not be my travel. He said, okay, no worry, I'll help you talk to her. So I passed, when I got home, I passed the phone to my mom. My mom was talking to him and she told my mom everything. She gave my mom 100% hope, like, don't worry, your son is going to be fine, everything. My mom told me, it's my first son and I don't want anything bad to happen to him. He told my mom, don't worry, everything's going to be fine. So with everything, and it's my modio, this boy. He's the one that brought me to Europe. So in case they are looking for anybody that brought me to Europe.
That's a credit to him.
Yeah.
So this one is not credit though. This one is a threat. This boy. That is not credit. He said in case they are looking for who brought him to Europe. That they should
because I'm paying him every month.
He's your madam or your guy.
Yeah, you got it right. He's my oga.
Okay, noted.
Please,
you shouldn't note that one. You shouldn't note that one.
We note them.
In case people will come and chop a draw in London so they can hold him. So like that.
You guys are really fun. It's really fun to be with. And what I've seen so far is that, when I had the opportunity to speak to you guys on the phone, you did say, I said, are you guys friends? You said, no, I think it's more than a friend. We're brothers.
Exactly.
And I can see that, there's a lot, brotherhood is not necessarily when we are blood related.
Yeah, exactly.
So you guys are related.
There are some friends better than brothers. Do you know?
Yes. You can say that again. There are some siblings that can't even see each other.
Exactly.
They can't support each other. He went to Italy.
I have some, and I can tell you the stories. I have some.
No, we don't need the story here.
No, I know.
We don't need that fucking story here.
I have some.
So there are some people. I mean, he discovered a way, and he said, "Bro, come over."
And that's the funny thing is, sorry to cut you short. The funny thing
it's okay.
Anything we do is always being the first to do it before I do it.
Wow.
Like
amazing.
Like I don't know how to put the words. Anything perfectly, probably anything at all that I would do. Yeah, he's the one that normally go first before he told me, guys, we must do this thing together.
Yeah.
So
because what I see there, he there's that bond and there's that love, and he tests it out first. He tests it out, and if the coast is clear, he said, "Come on, let's go." Amazing. White tiger. I can see your heart. Well done so far.
When it's not clear, I run away from me. I just leave him there. My brother, you put your hand over.
I hear you. So let us. I'm sure there is so much the fans want to know. Now, you've shared so far how you come to started the music, and all that. So which is also very, very good. Now, you guys now started this music thing when you arrived in Italy, isn't it? Wasn't it?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So how was it like trying to now make this music your first song together? How was the challenge that you had to come together? So, okay, now, bro, we are now in Italy. Let's find a way to make music. Was there a challenge or was it easy? Was it easy for you?
A lot of challenges. A lot. because at first they never accepted us. Not to talk about the name. The name was a little bit weird for them. They were seeing it like, you guys don't know what to call yourself. You're calling yourself animals and all stuff. And they said like family as well. Family were the ones at first they'll say, look, I can advise you, I'm your brother. This name you're using is not good. And if you guys want to do music in Europe and you're using this kind of name, you're going nowhere. And I'm mostly this boy. There's one thing I like about him. I'm not saying this because it's here, but you know, when you tell somebody this, don't do it, you always want to try. Even if it's going to fail, you always want to try. And he said, okay, no wala. And I was like, I'm not trying to name. He said, no, let's continue with the name. It's going to take us somewhere. And today we're here. And the thing was, the family that was telling us about a guy change your name and all stuff, and they're the ones celebrating us now.
Wow.
Like before we go on live or anything, before we do anything on music, they are the one that share it first before anybody do, because they believe in us. They've seen that energy in us already. Like, oh, these guys, they are really eager to do these things and all that stuff.
Yeah. How did you come up with the name Tiger? What motivated you? What was the motivation behind it?
It was we were having a show, I think at Torino, Florence. So we were just together in the room with one of my friends, Tracy. The guy is in Turkey now. We were just together. We were preparing, I think, at the hotel, because the show was just like a 1 hour to the show. For them to come and pick us to the show. Yeah. So that very day, we were like, so we are going to the stage now with Zilly and Zio. That name seems somehow to me. Let's look for one name that both of us can bear, that we can be under it. So we are just watching television that very day. A video pump up. I think it's a video of that American singer Tiger, but with a different spelling of our Tiger. So I look at it and I say, man, this name dope, Tiger. I put that 2 tigers. We're just saying it that very day, like we play. So when we get to the show, we just called the MC at the backstage. We told him, this is what you are going to do for us. Just be using this name. Just be shouting, 2 tigers here. 2 tigers here. So, I want to sow that name into people's hearts. So the guy started using it. 2 tigers here. People were like, which kind of name be that one again? You know? What is going on?
What's really happening?
Where are the tigers? Everybody looking for the tigers. Where is the tigers?
Because
Coming to eat us.
Even before the name, we have not even have a song together yet. We have not
really?
have a song together. Yeah, we were using my songs that we recorded before in Nigeria, way back.
Wow.
So we went to the show, we just grabbed the mics, we were just shouting, 2 tigers here, 2 tigers here. Then after the show, we went back to the hotel. Then we go home, we were receiving calls like, that name, nice. I want to try work on something nice,
Are you serious?
But the moment I went to Google the meaning of tigers. When I saw the meaning, I fell in love more.
You fell in love again.
Oh God. I said, no, I'm not going to change this name.
Yes,
this name is okay.
Yes. Believing in yourself, in your vision, in your dream. Wow.
Exactly. That was how we arrived here.
Amazing. That is, when I saw it, the name actually was what attracted me.
Wow, thank you very much.
Yes. When I was actually, because before I interview anyone, I search them up, like see what it, get to know them,
know more about
get to know more about their music, and see, it helps me to, because in most of the music, there's a story there.
Exactly.
The songs carry meaning. So
exactly.
That was the process where I saw you guys. I'm like, 2 tigers. Who are these 2 tigers? So I said, okay, what's the best way to get linked to you guys? I went to Facebook. I saw you there. I saw the WhatsApp, and then I sent the message. And here we are today.
The connection was so linked. There was nothing.
Yes.
Like somebody give me your number.
Nah.
Oh,
Now these days, if you want to find something, go direct.
yeah.
Exactly.
That is a lot of people will tell you, I was trying to call you, but I didn't know where to reach you. Just look at
No,
it from
if
London.
if
You
they
just wired us on your own self.
yes.
Thank you very much. We love you for
Thank
that.
you. You're welcome. So
Yeah.
that was yes. I mean, if you
It was
really
awesome.
if anybody wants to find you, they know how to find you. Okay.
Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly.
So
Thank you very much.
when something is important to you, you know how to go about it. And technology has made it easy. Okay, so there's a link up everywhere. So from here to here. So if you want to find me too, it's easy. Click here, click there, I'm there,
Definitely. Exactly.
So that is so far what the there's so much that you guys have shared that there's no doubt it sounds like you guys were meant to be, to do this together. But having said that, like in every relationship, business relationship, sometimes there's ups and downs, there's challenges. Now, my question is, do you guys sometimes quarrel? Do you sometimes have misunderstanding? And how do you manage it? What happens?
Yeah, a lot of time we have misunderstanding, but most of the misunderstanding don't last for 24 hours.
Wow.
Don't last for 24 hours. Maybe we just have an argument of, oh bro, why did you do this like this? Why do you do it like this? But at the end of the day, before in the evening, we resolve everything.
It's all gone.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Over the years,
Amazing.
there has never been a day of hey, or like no, never.
Good.
Never. We have never pampered each other like this.
This boy somehow though, like
tell me.
I don't know how to put it. It's so annoying. I swear to
What's
God.
going on?
What's really happening?
What's going on with you?
It's so annoying. You know when there's something normally
The real truth is that the reason why we do have issues always. This guy is fucking lazy. This boy. He sleep a lot. Me, I don't like it. When it's 6 o'clock, I'm up.
Good a thing you said that.
1 o'clock.
Good a thing you said that. Sorry to cut you. Good a thing you said. I was just going to ask who wakes each other first to say, oh yeah, let's go and do that. So go on, I'm listening.
When you're asking who wakes each other for, you should also ask who go to bed early.
Yeah, I go to bed early.
But I don't go to bed early. That's why.
I go to bed early. When it's 10 to 11, I'm in bed. But 6 o'clock in the morning, I'm up. But this boy,
because I don't sleep on time.
If not for this interview, I don't think he'll wake up right now. I don't think so.
Do you guys live together? Do you live together?
Yeah, we stay in an apartment together.
Okay. Great. So who sleeps early? Okay, who is the first person to say? I mean, who is the team player? Who is the team player? Like when you come to working as a team, there's always that one person that is like, okay, he's the team player. He's the lead in the team player. Amazing. So how do you feel about that, White Tiger? No, White Tiger.
Oh, okay, White, okay.
I feel okay.
How do you feel about what Black Tiger just said?
Yeah, it's an honor though. That keeps us going. We always give each other the credit that he or she deserves. So with that, we don't have to.
Yes, amazing. There's nothing like when we, I think that is what has kept the bond. Understanding.
Exactly. We respect each other.
Yeah.
Although our age is almost the same, but if you see the way we do our things, there's nothing like box, like nothing like this. We play things in a very matured way.
Yeah, amazing.
Nothing.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Funny to say, we are same month. Same month.
Is it? What month is that?
June.
Wow. Summer
June 8th,
summer
June
babies.
10th.
Yeah, summer babies.
Wow. Amazing.
Thank you
The
very much.
same month.
Yeah,
Wow.
just 1 day different.
Are you serious?
Yeah,
8, 10.
No, it's not true.
For
it's
real.
true. I'm 8.
Wow.
He is 10.
Wow. What
That's why I
what
love it. After all the fans must have celebrated my birthday on the 8th.
You see
10,
why?
they will be sleeping.
You see why I tell you?
10, they are tired.
You see why I tell you?
They can't have that same energy they used to celebrate White Tiger.
You see why I tell you?
they've already exhausted all the energy.
Yeah, that
Before
is
his own time.
for me. Yeah.
You see why I tell you?
He will be crying at home.
You see why I tell you? He's the one that normally go first in anything we do. Like, because even the birthday is the one that celebrates first before I do.
You know, the last time I told him, it's only us that know your birthday is 10. Just shift your birthday to 8 so that they can be celebrating both of us together. You know, he said no. He insists of leaving his own at 10. I said, no problem. You can go with it.
Maybe maybe something that he will look into. Now, now let's talk music. Thank you so much so far for sharing this. I mean, this is the beauty of who you guys this is the beauty,
Exactly.
This is the beauty of Two Tigers. When people get to hear how you all started, how you fight, how you quarrel, how you manage yourselves, that is, for me, is very attractive, So now we're gonna look at one of your first tracks,
Yeah.
But before that, who is the lead singer? Who is the lead singer?
Lead.
Okay, he's the
I
lead
take
singer.
the lead.
Yeah.
Okay, what kind of music do you guys do?
We do Afrobeat.
Afrobeat.
But most especially, we do an inspirational song. Emotional.
So
inspirational.
Any rappers? Who rap? You rap, or you just sing?
I do rap. Then he converted me from rapper to a solo artist because rapper doesn't pay anymore in Nigeria as well. So
even in the industry where
So-
we are here.
So you had a baptism. So he baptized you from
with the name of
rap.
music, the name of Afro rapper and R&B.
I mean, the two of you are so interesting. Now I'm gonna play this track here, okay?
Okay.
And then you're gonna tell me who has this one.
Okay.
The war we are living is one big mad thing. And they make your money and then they speak Latin. Money no fit talk if you don't hold that thing. Your master be make you live that thing. So I get my friend where they call Latin. Your mama get money, your papa hold money. You only in on this small sister. Now your mama born, now your papa born. They get one day when they day inside. Two boys conjure ball inside. The fire mama oh, the fire papa oh. I say the fire mama oh, I say the fire papa oh.
Now, audience, this particular track that we've just played, you can always find it on their YouTube channel, on all their social media handles. You find it, you can listen better. There's a lot of story. There's a message in that song. Because of due to lack of time, we can't play it all, but there's more tracks coming. But before that, who has this one, and what was the experience for you the first time?
The experience was okay. I was trying to pass a message there that one day.
Okay, it was for you, White Tiger.
Yeah, I did. That song was one of my tracks in my album 2011.
Okay.
So in that very song, I was trying to explain how we are going to become, what we are trying to become now, where we have reached now. So I was trying to explain small, Pikin will turn to Papa. So it's a very big message there.
A very big message, yeah. Definitely. Now, I'm going to give the audience a chance to listen to your latest right?
Wow. Okay.
But before I play the latest, there's this one that caught my attention.
Okay.
That I listened to. That really is it Mama's Prayer?
Yeah,
Mama's prayer.
Mama's Prayer. I also saw. Okay, there's a lot here. Mama's Prayer. Where's Mama's Prayer? Let me play it out.
Mama Gbadura, two tiger on this one. No. Mama Gbadura, two tiger on this one. Oh mama pray, make my hustle pay, so I go feel by you all the beautiful things where you say. So when you dey walk up for road, they go say you know they suffer again. You go tell them say gonna the day. Oh mama pray, make my hustle pay, so I go feel by you all the beautiful things where you say. So when you dey walk up for road, they go say you know they suffer again. You go come tell them say gonna the day.
I was a little boy, but now I be boss. All of them we no like us now, then they call us. All of the people when we are there, no one give us. Mama say your prayer, God don't bless us. Thank God say I no give up. I hustle so take my hustle they pay. Thank God say my no be God. Everything when I do, now God they bless. Mama say a prayer, mama say a prayer. Mama say a prayer, mama say a prayer.
That is an amazing song. That is an amazing song there. What inspired this song?
I believe mother is one of the biggest things in the world that can ever happen to mankind. Because mothers, their unconditional love is just too much.
Yeah.
So, although we were in studio that very day, initially we ain't ready for this particular vibe. Kudos to a legend, living legend, up to date, J1 Juwonlo. He was really the brain behind this song. He was the one that brought up that chorus, and he told me, "Come on, let's praise mothers a little bit." So he hammered the chorus. Then why we go with the vaccines? So that was it was all fun that day. We were just in the studio after show. So we vibed to the instrumental.
Amazing.
Thank you so much.
Yes. You're gonna say something.
No. I said kudos to J1.
Yeah. You know, it's a song that will go a long way.
Exactly. That was what he told me. When we were recording the song, he told me, said, Tiger, look, you still can't understand this vibe. This is a timeless music. An evergreen song, because the more girls are turning to women, turning to mothers, the more this song is growing.
Yeah.
It's growing.
Yeah.
And
it's an amazing song.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
So how was the production? Was it fun producing it?
Exactly, it was fun because
it was fun. It was fun because most especially we only do recording in Europe. We send our jobs to Nigeria for the mixing and the mastering. Because my producer sent the instrumental to me here, then we just work on it. But later he changed some things inside. The production was nice. Everything was just okay. Yeah.
Amazing.
Kudos to Emi's Beat, my producer. Emi's. That is nice. It's good.
Great. So you guys came together in the studio and sang it. Is such an inspirational music. Now, your latest one, when was this produced? Was it this year?
More Money,
No, it was the
More
December.
Money. Okay, December last year.
Yeah.
Wow. In the mix of all the challenges the world was going on, you guys, God was kind of like you guys was moving. That's good.
The truth is that particular time we did this new song, we did it in the period of Conquer.
Okay.
No, we did it for Conquer.
We did it even before Conquer.
Yeah.
So More Money, we recorded More Money. I think that was about October.
Yeah.
October.
Mm.
We recorded
Amazing.
in October 2020. So because of the tribulation and the SARS and SARS here and there,
Yeah.
we said we can't drop a song like this while Nigeria is going under crisis.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
We have to stay back to watch things for the atmosphere to be clear before we can drop the song. So we finally dropped it this year.
That was very considerate. Okay.
And the funny thing, like we've dropped like 3 songs
before the jam.
3 songs inside lockdown with a video, no shows, and we've just been doing it like that. And now we're planning for a new one as well because we're
amazing. Wow. Okay, let me give the audience a chance to get have a glimpse of your latest album that you've just dropped.
Okay.
Audience, take a look.
When money no dey for hand you, wetin I go do? My body no fit comport you, Yemundi gbedu. When money no dey for hand you, wetin I go do? My money I must to collect you, Yemundi gbedu. My money, my money, my money, my money, my money, my money, my money. Olisa Yemundi, my money, my money, my money. Me I no lazy you. Oluwa, bless me oh, cause we must to travel. I be the no, make a talk. Olisa do, no let me follow. I do, God yo. When you get to your help, oh, you send over you. I do, God yo. Show you the way, make a fall down, you come my patio. When money no dey for hand you, wetin I go do? My body no fit comport you, Yemundi gbedu. When money no dey for hand you, wetin I go do? My money I must to collect you, Yemundi gbedu. My money, my money, my money, my money, my money, my money, my money. Olisa Yemundi, my money.
Now, audience, I hope you guys enjoy this track. More money, more money. So when mama pray, the hustle go pay.
Exactly. You definitely know the journey behind the songs. That's great.
That was what is coming in my head. When mama pray, my hustle go pay.
When mamas pray, we conquer. They will make shakara. So we spray a lot of more money.
Oh, bless. Oh, bless.
Wisdom.
Don't leave me.
What's going on?
Say it again. Hold on. Let me spot you out. Yeah, say it again.
Okay, I said, when mamas pray, we conquer, we make shakara, and then we spray more money.
Oh,
bless. Amazing. Audience, did you hear that?
Exactly.
The importance of mama's prayer.
Exactly.
When mama pray, you conquer, you shakara, and then you spray money.
Yeah.
Did I get that right?
More money. Yeah.
Exactly. You're very right.
That's good. It's such it's such a great thing. You guys, obviously, you've come a long way. You know, your productions, your song is really, really amazing. And I have to say congratulations that, you know, in the mix of all these robbers going on in the world today, you guys' vision, you know, your dreams never stopped.
Thank you so much.
you kept going and all that. So we just thank God for everything. Now, again, I want to know, and I'm sure your fans want to know, are you signed to any record label at the moment? Are you under any record label?
Yeah, we're under ADF Entertainment.
Okay, say it again.
ADF Entertainment.
Okay. All right. So how is it like? It's going well, obviously, so far.
Perfectly well.
It's okay.
Yeah. All right. We thank God for that. Now, I'm going to ask you guys what I would say a bonus question. Okay. Have you guys, the two of you, fight over or compete or attracted to the same girl?
No.
Fine boy.
I think.
You know what I mean? Like when you guys are on stage, like, hold on. You know when you guys are on stage and because two of you are like two of you are signature, so they might like, oh, I like the other one, I like that one, and maybe the one he likes, you like as well. So have you guys had something like
that? This guy take them all because the fan boy.
No, you're not fine boy. I will not look over.
Yeah,
it's that's the nature now. It's the nature. Let's call it the nature, that's the nature. But sometimes it does happen though.
Tell us. We want to know.
Okay.
But most of the time, if maybe we went to a show, someone is let's say, okay, I'm attracted to somebody.
Yes.
Or maybe I'm attracted to the same person he is also attracted to. Then we work it out. Then we want to know.
How do you work it out? Do you work it out?
We work it out by wait. We work it out by trying to know who the lady in question would want. So if we work it out on the groundwork, FBI, and we find out that maybe
that is you.
No, if we find out that the disco light towards this guy is more bigger than mine, I leave it for him.
Relax.
No. Say it like this. If you find out that the disco light is more for you, I leave it for you.
Have you ever in your life leave anyone for me? You when I know. It's crazy though.
Very interesting. I love that. I said I'm going to pull you guys' leg.
That's true.
Amazing. Thank you for sharing that. There's obviously a big bond there. Now, what message would you guys give to the world? We're coming to the the moment now. What message would you give to somebody who maybe they're singing by themselves now and they really wish and admire this idea of coming together as a duet, as a team, work together? So what advice would you say to them?
First of all, what I'm going to say is this. First, you have to believe in yourself. You have to know what you want. If really you want to go for a musical career or you just want to pimp, because music requires a lot. But music requires a lot. It's going to eat up your time.
Yeah.
Eat up your resources. It's going to take so much about you that you don't even know. So I believe self-confidence is number one. And if that person that you want to work with, even if it's your brother or your sister, you have to study that person. You have to know if this is kind of person that you want to, because it's like relationship. It's like somebody you want to live with the rest of your life with. You understand? Because this man right here, we have spent decades together.
Yeah.
More than 13 years now.
Yeah.
So if I don't trust him or he don't trust me or we have issues together, by now I don't think we'll be together because first of all, we are not from the same origin at all. Not the same tribe, not the same from anywhere. But we came together to become one because we understand each other very well. We get to know that we don't place too much value on money and women.
I love that.
Because,
I love that.
because when you place too much value on money and women, definitely that group won't last.
Yes.
Because there are times we go to show, my money will be bigger than his own. You understand? He will be happy. He say, man, everywhere good, you know? Sometimes I still look at it as, okay, let your own be bigger than mine. We are just cool like that. But most of the people, they don't see that angle. A lot of people want everything to be in equal. Everybody wants to do it like this.
There has to
And
be
with that,
sacrifice.
Yeah, it has to be sacrificed. It requires a lot. Because two captains can't leave the same boat. So one have to go down for one a little bit. Not because that one go down, you have to match it. No. And above all, you guys have to keep that bond of secret together. You don't talk a lot. You don't go out talking down your friend, letting them know your friend is very lazy or your friend is that. You are the only one doing everything. You are the real artist. That your friend, you are just helping me. This. All those talk. You know? So if you are able to find a brother or a friend like you who is going to undergo anything for you, to bring down his own mind, to work with you in a nice way, trust me, it's good to go. Music is fun and it's love. It's good to me. So I expect every other person to do the same.
Yeah, Black Tiger, do you have something you want to share with the world?
Not really. I said it all, but all I have to say is respect each other. That's just one thing. The main important thing is respect. Like, don't keep things away from each other. Like, you hear this, you have to confirm before you take actions and everything. But there's sometimes we'll normally go to shows, and there are some friends that they don't really know you that much. They don't really know us. Let me put it like, they don't really know us that much, and they will be saying trash about us. Like, this guy, this one, you good part this one. This one, you just want to bring confusion, and sometimes we just take it as a joke because to us, we play a lot at home. And sometimes we normally go to Instagram and see some funny things. We laugh over it, and like we just use it to play. Sometimes when we are home, there are some words we normally call ourselves. We just laugh and laugh the whole day, and it's just fun for us. You understand? So we've been like that for a decade now. So I see if anybody wants to go as door, respect, most especially one has to go down for one, like I said before, and. Nothing much for real.
Wow.
So
that is a great message there, audience, you know. Understanding one another and not talking down on one another. You know, when you are outside, you know, people will talk because people will have preference. There are people that would like white tigers, people that like Black Tiger. They're like, oh, yeah, I better than him. So, audience, you have heard, you know, one of the important ingredients that I've just learned from what he said is you need to understand the person very well and don't put money as the forefront, you know.
Exactly.
So now, if somebody wants to, before that, any shout out to anyone, any shout out to fans?
Shout
out.
Yeah.
First of all, shout out to Ade, the host of the day.
Thank you so
much.
Really appreciate you
for taking out your time to search for us.
Thank you.
We really appreciate this time. Trust me. We do really appreciate it, and we look forward to see you again in a very high class when we are in that.
Amen.
Yeah. Exactly. And a big shout out to our CEO, ADF Entertainment. A big shout out to the fans over in UK there, here in Europe.
We'll come in after the corona.
In anywhere.
Yes.
A big shout out
yes,
to our
you need to come hit it here. Come to UK.
Yeah. And a big shout out to our
Yeah,
producer.
there's so much. There's a clubs here, man. There's so much going
Yeah,
on.
And
you know,
we see,
you know,
we
you
see
know,
them on Instagram. It's
you know,
going on
you know,
crazy.
in diaspora, UK is the heartbeat of Afrobeat in diaspora.
Is
all
it?
Yeah,
Okay.
after Nigeria is UK.
Is
So
it?
definitely UK is like the cousin home to Nigeria. So we come
For
in.
Nigeria.
Yeah,
Exactly.
Yeah.
So definitely, we would love to witness that area.
So shout out to all our fans worldwide, nationwide. Shout out to Nigerian fans. Shout out to our fans here in Italy. Shout out to our fans in France.
Shout out to all the
Belgium,
UK girls, all the
UK.
spices girls.
Shout out to
If you
Shout
come
out
UK, you might not want to go back. Oh.
That's what I'm saying.
You
You
don't
know,
want to come back.
no UK girls they are spicy.
They are
Very
spicy.
spicy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
You
They're very
girls.
spicy. They know how to dress. They know how to put those fucking makeups on. Spicy. Yeah.
Hey.
I think
UK girls, did you hear that?
I think they need to hear that now.
please put that part 2 times, please.
You see what I told you? This boy.
Have you guys been to UK before?
No,
Never.
No, you need to come. You need to come. UK is happening.
And you know what is going to happen. You know, I'm the first person who always tests everything.
No,
Calm down. No, that was just you just said.
No, see, Black Tiger.
Was he not the one who said that?
Yeah, Black Tiger.
no,
White Tiger
I
will
would
test
do
it.
UK.
If the road is good, you will come.
Yeah, if the UK is good, if everyone is
There's
spicy.
no hold up in Euro in UK. There's no hold up. We go together and go.
Oh my God, it's been fun. How you guys you've made me laugh so much. Thank you
Really
so much.
appreciate your time.
Thank you
Now,
for the opportunity.
Hold on.
Okay.
Oh yeah, okay. I'm gonna cut this bit off. Normally, what I do, I should have at the beginning taken you guys' social media platform, but
Okay.
yeah, so that it screws underneath.
Okay.
Yeah, but never mind. I want you guys to say it verbally, how people can reach you. Okay.
Okay, if you want to reach out
One
to
second.
us-
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So tell us, how can people reach you on social media handles, Facebook, Instagram, wherever they can find you?
It's very simple. If you want to reach out to the duos on Instagram, on YouTube, our name is Two Tigers. Space Tigers. That's our YouTube channel, Two Tigers. Then you want to reach out to me on Instagram, I'm Zilly_Tiger. On Twitter, Zilly Tiger. On Facebook, Zilly Tiger. I don't do Snapchat stuff. This nigga right here loves Snapchat spices. So
Okay.
tell them, boy.
If you want to reach out to me on Instagram, I'm Zeal__Tiger. Like I got 2 underscore. So if you want to reach out to me on Twitter, I'm Zeal_Tiger. On Snapchat, I'm Z Tiger. On Facebook, I'm Zeal Tiger. And on TikTok, on Z
I don't
Tiger.
do those stuff.
Man, I love play a lot. I love
Yes.
social media. So I'm Z Tiger everywhere, bro.
Mm-hmm. But for
Yeah.
the UK girls, you want to find me in my house? Come my DM. I'll tell
Please,
you
for
my
the UK
address.
girls, if you need number,
I love being you that.
wait. If you need number, please ask at the Tina Talk Show, please. And please, ma, the number you wrote on WhatsApp, that's not my own number. My own number is different, please.
I can. You guys, obviously, it sounds like you guys are gonna do damage when you come to UK.
No,
You're gonna do so much damage.
Sometimes we do talk like this, but when it's time to act, we can't.
Yeah, because I don't want to put the reputation.
No, we can't.
Okay, guys, it has been a pleasure.
Thank you so much.
I really have a good time. I'm sure this is not going to be the last time we
Not at
are
all, not at
going
all.
to talk again.
At all.
You guys are always welcome to Tina Talk Show anytime. I'm sure we're gonna come. We're gonna bring you back up again. So as times goes on, to share, to continue to get in touch with the fans out here and all over the world.
Thank you so much.
So it's really a honor. It's really a honor. So yes. Hello, audience. I don't know about you, but I have learned so much from my guests that came all the way from Italy. They are international artists, as you have seen them, an opportunity to get to hear the inside, the beauty of what they do. Like I always said, the beauty of what you do is the story behind it. They have shared it so much for us. Those of you who are still wondering who are these two tigers and what are they all about, you have heard it right exclusively on Tina Talks. If there's any of you watching right now and you want to share your own story, you want people to understand the beauty of what you do, this platform is set for you. So many lessons that I've learned today from two tigers. When you want to come together as a team, something that is very important is understanding each other. Have trust, and never you put money first, and never you talk down on your partner. Understand each other, tolerate each other, love each other, and so on and so forth. If you are watching me right now on YouTube, please do not forget to subscribe. If you are watching me on Facebook, don't forget to follow. You can also find me on Instagram. Do not forget to also follow me there. It's been a pleasure having you guys. Okay? Thank you so much. And bye for now.
Okay.